Okay, the next text is Borobudur Temple. Borobudur. So now here the example descriptive text above Borobudur Temple. The member descriptive text has two generic structure. Uh, the first identification and the second and description. The identification is on the first paragraph showing the text. The identification is to instruct Borobudur Temple. This is in the definition of the Borobudur Temple text. Borobudur is a Buddhist temple built in the 9th century under the Selindra dynasty of the ancient Mataram Kingdom. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. So this is description. In this description section, it is located the second paragraph and so on, the which contains the characteristic intern in something that is already known in the first paragraph. Contains an explanation or description of the Borobudur Temple by description some information such as Borobudur is well known all over the world, and it is in construction is influenced by the Gupta architecture of Indra, and the design of Borobudur symbolizes the connotator of universe in the Buddhist cosmology. The example text above is one example of descriptive text because it provides information about the object being described or described. Namely, the Borobudur Temple. In addition, the text also has a structure and characteristic that is in accordance with the structure and characteristic possessed by descriptive text. Characteristic features. One, using the simple present tense. In the example text above, all sentences use the simple present tense. The example, Borobudur is located Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. The temple is constructed on hill 46-meter high and consists of 8 steps like stone surface, and Borobudur Temple with dedicated as an Indonesian monument in 1983 is a valuable treasure for Indonesian people, and with its magnificent size and architecture, no wonder that Borobudur Temple includes 7 wonders of the world. 2. Using adjectives, magnificent, very valuable, and treasure. And 3. Using a connecting verb, relating verb. There are related verb in the form of is and has. Okay, I think that's all I have you understand. First, my explanation, and now is enough to answer the question to this text. Okay, so the first question is number 1. What is the social function of the text above? A. Describe about the history of Borobudur Temple. B. Describe in detail about of all the things that are related to the Borobudur Temple. And C. Describe about mystical things found in the Borobudur. In general, the purpose of descriptive text to describe and so that we know our answer using previewing and predicting what we usually read the first paragraph so that we don't take too long from the gaze and mind the idea in the text. The function of this is a text. The social function from the question that we must know the things that exist in the Borobudur temple. Okay, the correct answer is number 1 is a B. B describe in detail about all the things that related to the Borobudur temple. The number 2 question, where is the location of Borobudur temple? A. West Java, B. Bali, C. Central Java, and D. East Java. Here we answer it by means of scanning from form of face reading to execute to get information without reading other types of reading. So the text describe the location the Borobudur temple. Borobudur located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. And the correct answer is C. Central Java. The number 3 question is Borobudur has been built during in the reign of A. Sanjaya dynasty, B. Silendra dynasty, C. Balaputra Dewa dynasty, and C. Mulawarman dynasty. The correct answer is B. Silendra dynasty. So in the text about Borobudur temple about during a reign of Silendra dynasty, here we answer it by a means of scanning from a fast reading. The X Queenie get information without reading what types of reading. Number 4, when was the Borobudur temple built? A. In the 19th century, B. in the 29th century, and C. in the 9th century. The correct answer is C. in the century. Here we answer it by means of scanning. According to the text of Borobudur, example was built in the 9th century, and it is stated in the identification in the first paragraph. Number 5, how high is the hill the Borobudur temple was built? A. 13.6 meter high, B. 16 meter high, C. 46 meter high. In the correct answer is C. 46 meter high. In the text of the second sentence in the paragraph, 2 descriptions are started. The temple is constructed on a hill 46 meter high. We answer it by means scanning from a first reading to Cheniquid to get information without reading other types of reading. Okay, we think that all explanation from the material and answering the question appear to understand and that after attention. Bye.